I'm going to start this video. I don't usually talk on the YouTube ones, but I'm going on this one because it's quite big. I might get out of breath. I just thought to put the majority of the info on here. So there's just a little outside seating area, and you've got your barbecue, and you've got your outside kitchen. You've got 2 carports there towards the back of the house, and then you've got this lovely chalet, all seating area, gardens. I'm just walking through. We'll go up there in a moment. So this is the downstairs summer room. And you've got a kitchenette down here, a bar. So this is effectively your party room. Fridge, freezer, kitchen there. And then you've got this lovely sitting room overlooking the pool area and the mountains beyond. And through there you've just got a bathroom. Just got a shower room in there. TV still on. So just coming out. This gorgeous pool area. Absolutely stunning. And just coming around. This is actually 3 properties in one. So there's 2 chalets. One we'll go to over there. And then this one. There is somebody renting the other chalet, so we can't get in today. But so you've got, if you can see there, you've got the main house above where the staircase is, and then underneath you've got your big extra party room, which could easily be converted into a full apartment or a full house down below. So I'm just going to walk through. All 3 sections of the property have got gates. It's got gorgeous views here. That's the other chalet. Ooh, through there. So it's this one here. And then you've got a big parcel of land here. This has got its own gate. You've got some trees there. And then you've got another gate. So just coming around the back of the property. The views that you've got from here are absolutely stunning. So just leading on from the last video and going into the main property. So you've seen the building below. That could be a guest apartment. At the moment it's just one big room with almost like a party room, which is typical of Spanish houses. And then upstairs is absolutely stunning. So we're just going to go up. So this is into the main house. And you can see the views that you've got from up here. Absolutely incredible. All the way around. Oh, trying to open the window, it's not going to open. The views here are absolutely stunning. And then just going through to the first bedroom, and that's got the mountain views. Look at that. That's just absolutely incredible. And then going through into the main house. So this has recently been rented out, which is why when the owners come, they go downstairs and they use it as their kind of summer house. You can see that looking down on the pool. You can see the other property, which is this one here. And you can see the views that you've got. Coming back on through. And you've got the first bedroom in the main house. Really nicely finished, rustic, and with built-in wardrobes. So this is the blue room, we've decided. And then this room is incredible. Really nice size room, enough for if you wanted to put a sofa there or a sofa bed. And then you've got another built-in room there, and this overlooks the pool again, and the views absolutely gorgeous. Coming through into the bathroom, so there's 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom here. So you've got your family bathroom, and that's a shower. But I think the actual terrace out here is just incredible with those views.